Hello, my name is Renad altamimi, and this is my project for the course CAS400. My supervisor while working at the company was named Abdullah Al-Kbasi. First off, I would like to give an acknowledgement and express my gratitude to the Arab Open University for academic support and to ASEAN Investment Company for the professional experience and skill development. Additionally, thank you Dr. Mr. Al-Khatam for his guidance and feedback throughout this course. This is the outline for this project. Introduction. In this report, I detail my cooperative training at ASEAN Investment Company's IT department, where I applied my university knowledge to networking and IT operations. I focused on developing my technical skills, professional communication, and teamwork within a real-world environment. This report outlines the company's objectives, my specific work responsibilities, and a final reflection on the challenges I overcame and the lessons I learned throughout the experience. Information about the training company. I completed my training at ASEAN Investment Company, a professional organization focused on managing sustainable investments to drive economic growth. My internship was designed to bridge the gap between my theoretical studies and practical application, specifically focusing on technical skills, professional communication, and understanding corporate workflows. I was assigned to the IT department, which manages the company's infrastructure, system security, and user support. During my time there, I worked alongside a diverse team of approximately 60 employees ranging in age from 20 to 45 and holding degrees in specialized fields. The environment was highly professional, characterized by a formal dress code and a productive mix of fresh graduates and experienced experts. I handled a handful of tasks while working at ASEAN Investment Company. The first task being creating a network diagram for Office. I made it while using Dot.io to visualize the company's technical infrastructure. I mapped out essential hardware, including the router, switch, and various endpoints. For my second task, I had to create a new user account in Active Dictionary. I managed the creation of new users' accounts in Active Dictionary using details provided by HR. I navigated to the appropriate organizational unit to initiate the setup and entered all required personal information. For my third task, I had to add user to group via the member of tab to apply role-based permissions and policies. By verifying group names, I ensured users received the correct security settings, access rights, and departmental email distributions. For my fourth task, I had to add license to user. I assigned Microsoft 365 E5 licenses via the Admin Center to provide users with essential services and advanced security. Task 5, reset the user's password. I managed password resets in Active Dictionary to restore user access while maintaining company security standards. Task 6, system update and security patch installation. This task involved updating the system using Windows Update to install the latest updates and security patches. The updates are checked, then downloaded and installed. Task 7, two cybersecurity committee charter documents. I had to create them when the process includes reviewing both Word files and identifying specific terms that required update. Task 8, implementing MFA for user account security. This task involved enabling multi-factor authentication using Microsoft 365 to enhance account security. Task 9, adding printer. This task involved adding and configuring a printer on the user's device. The process includes connecting to the printer through the network or locally, installing the required driver, and then setting it as an available device for printing. Task 10, lastly, OneDrive backup and sync. This task involves configuring Microsoft OneDrive to enable backup and synchronization for user files. The process includes setting up OneDrive as a user's device, enabling folder backup, and ensuring files are synced to the cloud. The main tasks assigned to me in summarize are network diagram, M365 licensing, new user creation, password resets, group assignment, system maintenance, document review, MFA implementation, printer configuration, and OneDrive backup. How I solved out or worked out each task. I managed user accounts and licenses in Active Dictionary and Microsoft 365 while enhancing security through MFA and system updates. I also designed network diagrams, configured hardware like printers, and ensured document consistency using technical resources and professional guidance. Technical theoretical background needed. I relied on my understanding of networking, cybersecurity, and Microsoft 365 to manage user accounts, implement MFA, and design network diagrams. Courses that helped me were T316, T318, T216A, T216B. Difficulties faced and how I dealt with them. I focused on accuracy and precision while managing sensitive accounts and configurations, as even minor errors could impact results. Books, user manuals used. I used Dot.io to design the network diagram while strictly adhering to internal company guidelines and administrative procedures for active dictionary management. Lastly, I applied my academic knowledge to real world network design and system administration, managing Active Dictionary, Microsoft 365, and security protocols. Thank you for listening.